Hello, I'm the Sonoran Desert Grower. Today we're gonna talk about keeping your equipment clean, working with good bacteria, not bad bacteria. So stay tuned for the video. This is what you need to do with your compost tea brewer. You need to clean it after every use. This bucket is 4 years old. This is the bucket that I made the video with, how to make a compost tea brewer, where I cut a notch right here using a Leatherman. It's pretty clean for it being a dedicated compost tea bucket, and seeing how it gets used really regularly. Now a lot of times people are like, why am I cleaning it if the whole point of this is to get bacteria? You want good bacteria. You don't want crusty bacteria that's been hanging out for months on your bucket. That's a good way to get bad bacteria into your soil. So keep your buckets clean. So this guy is done. And we're gonna get another batch of tea going in that guy. We're gonna clean up this tubing. It's important to scrub these down really good, and I like spritzing them. I like hitting them with some alcohol before I even get the tea going, like I showed in this video. But this is super important. You want to get your lines clean, your equipment clean. You want to be just working with good, healthy bacteria. That stuff that's going to give you diseased plants. And I don't know if you guys can see, but there's still some stuff on here. I can see it. So I'm going to work this stuff off. I'm going to scrub it really good, get it off. And this is why you want to do this right away. You don't want to let this air stump sit. This hasn't been sitting for weeks or anything. It's been this is like a day after kind of thing. Alright, that's good. So I got my lines clean. So this is alcohol. And we're gonna disinfect our stone here. So I'm gonna hit it up pretty good. Disinfect our stone. Get the tubing, doesn't be inside. Sound really good. I did, it was excellent. Thank you for watching the video. If you're digging this content, please subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share a video with a friend that could use this information. Head on over to www.patreon.com, the Sonoran Desert Grower. I'm doing a monthly seed giveaway of seeds that I've grown, drought tolerant seeds. Subscribe to the Patreon channel for exclusive content. Every month I'm going to be uploading a awesome video that's going to be just for the Patreon members to check out. As always, I'm available for all your growing and soil building needs. Hit me up. We can set up a remote consultation training. You can bring me out to your town and I'll train the crew out there. If you're in Tucson, I can train you locally. If you're in Arizona, it's a little bit easier to set up trainings. Get with me. Let's get people growing healthy plants and healthy soil.